In 1899, the Sauereisen Cement Company was established by Fred Sauereisen, my grandfather. Our original product was a ceramic-based adhesive that resisted high temperatures. That material, Insolute Adhesive Cement No. 1, is still specified for bonding applications within many electrical components. Today, Sauereisen Incorporated is a third-generation team with an expanded product line representing a broad selection of chemistries. Thermal conductivity and electrical resistance are the primary attributes of Sauereisen adhesives that make them ideal for high-temperature bonding, potting, and sealing applications. In this presentation, the Sauereisen Research Group demonstrates the basic mixing, dispensing, and curing of our products.
Some Sauereisen cements are supplied as a pre-mixed paste, although most involve some type of mixing. The equipment for mixing and handling Sauereisen cements tends to be readily available. Standard spatulas and containers will suffice for users preferring to mix by hand. For best results, a slow-speed Hobart-type mechanical mixer is recommended. In either case, it is important to have a scale available for weighing the appropriate portions of powder and liquid. Material that is pulled from inventory should be done on a first-in, first-out basis. Each Sauereisen container is marked with a lot number indicating the date of manufacture. For product that is stored on-site, some users elect to preserve or extend shelf life by periodically flipping their containers to prevent segregation of finer particles. Powder components should be remixed before using. Some of the formulations include a silicate liquid or phosphate liquid component, while others simply mix with water. Weigh the prescribed amounts of powder and either liquid or water. Powder should be placed into the mixing container first. Mixing by hand with a spatula is generally adequate. However, mechanical mixing is preferable. In either case, continue mixing until a smooth, uniform consistency is obtained. Most Sauereisen products resemble a thick cream when thoroughly mixed. One practice to avoid is the addition of extra water. Such a practice would produce a cement paste of low viscosity, ultimately resulting in a sacrifice of physical properties. Likewise, refrain from retempering with additional liquid as the material mixes. Cement that has begun to set must be discarded. Upon the completion of mixing, Sauereisen cements may be applied by hand. Squeeze bottles and syringes commonly serve as dispensing tools. The air-setting cement formulations will remain fluid in the container as long as there is no exposure to air. The chemical and hydraulic setting cements will begin to stiffen toward the end of a 30 to 90-minute pot life. Containers should be cleaned in between uses. Sauereisen cements will also accommodate various methods of automated dispensing. Some brands of air-powered equipment are popular, such as this EFD unit. For automated applications of larger cement batches, it is helpful to keep the paste agitated. Also, the cement has been successfully sprayed using a pressure pot and atomization gun. Proper curing is critical to the performance of any ceramic cement. Typically, the cement will harden and cure within 18 to 24 hours at ambient temperature. Low-temperature oven drying at 180 degrees Fahrenheit will help to accelerate the cure if necessary. In practice, most cure schedules are customized, but in all cases, it is important to avoid steaming. Sauereisen cements, when effectively cured, will resemble a dense ceramic or porcelain. We maintain a quality assurance regimen that includes the assessment of both raw materials and finished products with full traceability. The Sauereisen lab conducts physical testing on-site using ASTM and ANSI standards to determine compressive, flexural, and tensile strength. Retained samples are kept on hand for potential future retesting. Subjective methods of evaluating the finished product are to cast small discs and inspect for evidence of shrinkage, residue, or weakness. Material of sound physical condition will bond to the edges of molds, exhibit a smooth, hard surface, and produce a clean break when destructed. Standard packaging includes quart cans, gallon cans, and 50-pound lots in either moisture-resistant bags or plastic pails. Shipments of either pallet-sized or small quantities depart daily for users around the world. Sauereisen ceramic adhesives are non-toxic and free of volatile organic compounds and hazardous air pollutants. The company is registered with REACH and complies with both ROHS and WEEE directives of the European Union. Users of Sauereisen cement span the appliance, lighting, aerospace, steel, and automotive industries. Product engineers continually turn to Sauereisen when designing high-performance resistors, heating elements, specialty lamps, thermocouples, and igniters. For further assistance on product capabilities, usage, or recommendations, you may reach a local distributor or ask for a technical consultant at our world headquarters. Phone 412-963-0303. Website www.sauereisen.com.